Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Google account is signed in. This is essential because chat uses that identity. Once done, open a supported browser like Chrome and navigate to chat or click the chat section inside Gmail. Make sure your internet is stable. If you see a sign-in prompt, enter credentials and complete any two-step prompts. This gets you into the app environment. From here, you'll create or join conversations and adjust basic settings so everything flows smoothly. Next, you create or join a conversation. Click New Conversation or use the search box labeled Find People, Rooms, Bots to locate contacts by email. Once you add participants, decide if this is a direct message or a room for a team. Rooms support threaded topics and files. Make sure to set notification preferences and your status so others know when you're available. If you plan to share files, drag them into the message field or use the attachment icon to upload directly. Finally, you send messages using the text field. Use it mentions to notify people, reactions for quick replies, and / commands for actions. Organize conversations by starring, pinning, or creating topics within rooms. Manage file access via drive links if needed. If something breaks, chat not loading, messages stuck, reload the page first, then clear your browser cache or sign out and sign back in. These steps resolve most issues, and if not, check account permissions or try a different supported browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.